so we got this 2019 Hellcat. Buddy already did the exhaust for you.
Oh, I already see it.
Yeah.
Dual exhaust.
Oh yeah, she ready. Straight pipe all the way back.
Can I hear it?
Oh well, Lord, how much?
It's still quiet, y'all. I mean, that's cute or whatever. Let me see. Oh yeah, that's straight pipe right there. That's straight pipe, and that's a Scatpack. Somebody lied to him.
Yeah, they must have.
Somebody lied to him.
But there's no reason that one's supposed to be louder than that.
No reason. Somebody lied to him.
I think I'm gonna take some money off of it.
I think he just got a mid muffler delete. That's it.
You know what? I think mine is my screensaver.
This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max.
Oh man,
We got the same phone.
Yeah, but yours clear.
See, I just keep
You got
the
the edited
lens.
edition.
Nah.
Limited edition, edited edition.
See, this is the ones that was on pre-order when it first came out.
Oh yeah, y'all get the better one anyway. Yeah, so we got this 2019 Hellcat. Buddy already did the exhaust for you.
Oh, I already see it.
Yeah.
Dual exhaust.
Oh yeah, she ready. Straight pipe all the way back.
Can I hear it?
Oh well, Lord, how much?
It's still quiet, y'all. Okay. I mean, that's cute or whatever. Let me see. Oh yeah, that's straight pipe right there. That's straight pipe, and that's a Scatpack. Somebody lied to him.
Yeah, they must have.
Somebody lied to him.
But there's no reason that one's supposed to be louder than that.
No reason. Somebody lied to him.
I think I'm gonna take some money off of it.
I think he just got a mid muffler delete. That's it.
Challenger Hellcat, Blue Max.
Let's see what he got.
Man,
He ain't got no sunroof. How many miles there? He got me beat on this. What year is this?
19.
Ooh, that's a 21. This got 13,000.
Hey, you be riding. You using your car.
I got to.
These cars ain't meant to be sitting.
This right here is a manual. Y'all see the red key?
P0. We're gonna do them right. I don't know what he was doing with that.
I think he colored that.
Yeah, he colored that in. He played coloring book with that one.
So go to tiresticker.com
Right.
to get you some official tire stickers.
That way you put them on there right.
Right.
I learned not to throw these things down there in your car. Get it all cleaned up.
They just got it, y'all.
Oh yeah.
How much y'all want for it?
This one gonna go for 81.
81. You can get a
81.
brand new wide body, red eye,
New one.
for 80 something.
Yeah. What we're gonna do is,
And it's a manual. I thought manual was supposed to be cheaper than automatics.
when you look at the book value on these Hellcats now, the manuals are automatic, the price is the same.
Same now,
Yeah, it ain't a big gap like it was at first.
right?
But That's just the number they threw out there. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a little bit cheaper.
You can negotiate because it's
You can
used.
negotiate. It's used. It's used. And we can't certify because we're not a Dodge dealership.
Right.
So stay tuned. That price probably will drop.
So make sure y'all hit him up. This is at Mercedes. This is at Mercedes-Benz.
They don't want this car on the lot. They want to get rid of it.
Yeah.
Let's make a deal. The first person to come and make the deal on this one, we're gonna take and give him a Slime Pack t-shirt.
But make sure y'all come out here to Mercedes. It's a 2019 with only what, 4,000 miles?
800 miles on a 19.
It is a manual, so don't y'all automatically come out here.
Mobile back here. The machine is loud as the pack.
Nah, they lied. That's not straight pipe. But it sounds good though.
Oh yeah, it's all good. Hey, when you get it, you can do it the way you want to do it. You know, 757-753-7708 is my direct line. Oh, let's do it.
And your Instagram is?
Junie, JUNNY_392 Scatpack. That's PK at the end of Scat.
Yeah. They look good though. Now, Slime Pack looking kind of good out here in this sun. It is, I think it's 96 degrees out here. I got on my work clothes. I come here to make some content before I go to work. So hopefully I got 3 videos out of today. It'll make my trip worthwhile because I stay about, well, I work about 40 minutes from Fayetteville. So having to drive here, then make it back to working time, it should be all worth it. Shout out to this man for making it happen.
Hey man, I appreciate you coming by, man, and everything. It's good to be around good people, hardworking people, man. So, you know, y'all follow, like, subscribe, Slime. There you she doing it. She's doing it. We appreciate her being out here in North Carolina, putting us on the map.
You must be a subscriber. Like, come on, you can't jump on this train for free. You gotta be a subscriber. Number 2, you gotta go to slimepack.store and get anything off the website. Purchasing whatever on the website will automatically enter you into the database to win the camera. Also, enter in your email. I think it automatically requires you to enter your email, so you will receive your tracking order and everything for when you order the t-shirts. So that's how I will be contacting you, by email. There will be a video saying that I have picked the winner. Number 3. What's number 3? Just comment on every video, watch every video, like every video. That's all I ask. Number 1, subscribe to my channel. Number 2, go to slimepack.store and purchase anything off the site. I need y'all support just like y'all need my support. Watch, like, and comment on every video. That's all I ask.